Welcome back to another video. So this one is about a tutorial of this website called Scratch. So how to go to it is you type in scratch.mit.edu, like this up here right now. And this is a website that allows you to code, block code, and make games, make it count, publish games to the internet, so people can play your games, comment, love, favorite, and also you can play other people's games and have so much fun. There's like studios, and studios are like folders that you can join that you can put projects in. You can comment on other profiles and studios, etc. So this one is how to make a block on the My Blocks one. What you do is make a block. Just press that button. So this one is if that, then say that for that amount of seconds. You type in if colon, then a boolean, then boolean, then a text, then say number or text for number seconds. And then you get this and this. But it doesn't actually do anything. See? How to make it do something? You put under the define. So I'm going to grab this and this, because this is what you need. See, that for that many seconds, and the if that then block. You drag that into there. You drag this right into there. Then you just smash this, and you put it there. So then, now it works. But now let's just see it in action. So grab your stuff. So I use a variable. So I set it to 0. So look, see? You can see the variable is at 0. Because look, right there. My variable is at 0. So look, if I do that, and make it so he says boom for 1 second. So look, that's on 0. Then if I use this, you can activate with the event or just clicking it. Wait, he's not even saying boom. Because my variable is at 0, and that wants it to be 1. So I'm going to change it to 1 and set my variable to 1. Now it's at 1. So now, if my variable is at 1, then say boom for 1 second. 1 second. Then if you click that, now he says boom. It works. So, was that a good tutorial? Is it useful for you? And how much do you like it? Post it down below in the comments, right down there. Just scroll down there and comment, definitely. And don't ever forget to do this. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Smash the subscribe button first, because you can't do it at the same time. smash it, and then smash the notification bell to always, and then you're done. In 3, 2, 1, bye!